You're about to learn the secret that every Roman grandmother guards fiercely. This is carbonara, the pasta dish that conquered the world, but almost nobody gets right. No cream, no bacon, just 4 simple ingredients and 80 years of tradition. Let's cook. Capisce? For 4 servings, you need 1 pound of spaghetti or rigatoni, 5 to 6 ounces of guanciale diced, 2 cups of grated Pecorino Romano, 8 egg yolks, 2 whole eggs, freshly ground black pepper, and salt for the pasta water. Step 1. The guanciale. Cut it into small dice, about the size of a lentil. Add it to a large skillet over medium-low heat. No oil needed. The guanciale has enough fat. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes until the edges are crispy and the fat is golden. Remove from heat. Do not drain the fat. That fat is your sauce. Step 2. Boil the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Cook to al dente. Read the box and take 2 minutes off. Reserve 1 cup of pasta water before draining. Step 3. The sauce. In a bowl, whisk together egg yolks, whole eggs, grated pecorino, and a generous amount of black pepper until smooth. This cold, creamy mixture is your secret weapon. Step 4. The magic. Add hot pasta directly to the skillet with guanciale and fat. Heat is off. Toss to combine. Now pour the egg mixture over the pasta and toss constantly for about 2 minutes. The residual heat cooks the eggs slowly, creating that creamy, emulsified sauce. Too thick? Add pasta water. Step 5. Serve immediately. Top with extra pepper and pecorino. Carbonara waits for no one. And remember, the creaminess comes from the emulsion of eggs, cheese, and fat. Never cream. Now, here's what makes this dish fascinating. It's young. Carbonara was born in 1944, right after Rome was liberated by American forces. Soldiers craved eggs and bacon. Roman cooks had guanciale and pecorino. Someone brilliant combined both worlds. And a legend was born. The famous food writer Adaboni documented every Roman recipe in 1930, and carbonara wasn't there, see. By the 1950s, it was everywhere. The name? Some say it comes from carbonari, the charcoal workers. Others say the black pepper looks like charcoal. A dish that shouldn't exist, but does. And it's perfect. One thing is certain. Carbonara is Roman, not generically Italian. Roman. The Lazio region produces the wheat, the sheep's milk pecorino, and the guanciale. These are local ingredients, not fancy imports. Carbonara belongs to Rome's quattro piatti, alongside cacio e pepe, griscia, and amatriciana. All 4 use guanciale and pecorino. All 4 are the soul of Roman cooking. What to drink with something so rich? You need acidity. My top pick, Frascati Superiore, from the hills just outside Rome. Crisp, minerally, $15 to $22. For something different, try a Vermentino di Gallura from Sardinia. Fresh, herbaceous, with a lovely salinity that echoes the pecorino. $12 to $18. Serve chilled, around 45 degrees. The cold and the acidity cut through the richness beautifully. Salute! That's the real carbonara, the Roman way. No shortcuts, no substitutions. If you try this at home, tag Capisce Cooking and show me your results. And when someone asks if you used cream, you look them in the eye and say, absolutely not. Capisce? Grazie for watching. Subscribe for more. Ciao!